Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Good morning, my lovely students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm very well. I'm good. Thank you. Sarif, Ilham, and Sahwa. Where is your mask?
I don't bring it. I forget, Mom. Saya lupa.
You forget bring your mask? How about you, Sahwa and Ilham? Are you ready to start the lesson today?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Sarif, Chairman, please lead us to pray together. Come on.
Friends, today, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Chairman. Yeah. Anybody take action or permission today?
No, ma'am.
No?
Hello, Mas Chairman.
Okay, thank you for your information, Mawalda. Jadi semua hadir ya, there is no student take or action today. Let's sing a national song.
Stand up, please. Sit down.
We sing national song as a grateful to our nation ya, sebagai rasa syukur dan terima kasih kita atas perjuangan para pahlawan. Okay, thank you. Maybe all of you read the newspaper or watching TV. If you watch TV, is there any news that you find out? Ada yang menonton berita? Oke, semua menonton? Oke. Trending news ya? Stand up please.
Berita tentang Vanessa Angel.
Oke, the news about Vanessa Angel. Ya. Trending news ya? Oke, semua melihat beritanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, thank you Dewi. Give a clap for this. How about the other group? Okay, Pak Walia, stand up please. What is the news, the trending news that you watch in TV or you read in newspaper maybe?
Berita tentang hasil P-nya kabur dari karantina.
Oke, berita tentang Rachel P-nya yang kabur dari karantina. Thank you. How about the Okay, sorry, stand up please. Okay, what is the news that you find out?
Tentang Pak Bupati Donggala yang lagi sakit.
Okay, it's about Bupati Donggala. Bupatinya kita ya?
Yes.
Oke.
Tumor.
Oke, sakit tumor. Semoga kita doakan ya. Semoga Pak Bupati segera sembuh. Thank you, Sari. Okay, is there anyone can give the information or the news by using English? Okay, Nurul, come on. Stand up, please.
The news is about artist Vanessa Angel.
Okay, the news is about artis Vanessa Angel who died in
Incident.
Apa artinya? Artis Vanessa Angel yang meninggal karena kecelakaan. Anybody? Okay, Anissa, stand up please.
Artist Vanessa Angel and her husband died at the at the Jalan Tol
Yeah.
where their child,
Huh?
babysitter,
Yeah.
and answer still being treated at the hospital.
Okay, very good. Give a round of applause. Vanessa said that artis Vanessa Angel with her husband ya, child, driver, and babysitter, and in an accident. Semoga keluarga diberikan ketabahan. So, I want to ask you, based on my questions, apa want to ask you why we should learn news item.
Bisa dapat pelajaran dari berita itu.
Oke, bisa mendapat pelajaran dari berita. Thank you so much, good job Anissa. Jadi pelajaran yang bisa kita dapat. Jadi kemudian dari berita, kira-kira social functionnya, fungsi sosialnya apa? Kalau kita belajar tentang news item, informasi tentunya ya. Ya, buktinya kita mendapat informasi tentang artis, tentang siapa lagi? Tadi Pak Bupati Donggala, bencana. Ya, bencana. Okay, any questions so far about my explanation? No? Who can help me to read the teaching objective today?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Rawan, stand up please. Louder ya.
Tujuan pembelajaran. Setelah mengikuti proses pembelajaran, diharapkan peserta didik mampu membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan dapat menangkap makna teks khusus dalam bentuk news item.
Okay, good job. Thank you. Next. Who can help me to... Okay, Sangwan, come on. Learning indicators, come on.
Mengidentifikasi struktur teks, fungsi sosial, dan unsur kebahasaan pada teks news item.
Okay, thank you. Jadi kita harus dapat mengidentifikasi struktur teks, fungsi sosial, dan unsur kebahasaan. Kemudian membandingkan struktur teks dan language feature. And then the students are able to give the conclusion about the information. Jadi, I want all of you to make a conclusion about the information from the text 1 and the text 2 from the news by using Canva application. Ya, sudah di download aplikasi Canva-nya? Yeah. Good job. Thank you so much for your attention. Yeah. Please pay attention to the video because I want to ask the questions about the video, and I will give the score for the students who answer my question. Are you understand? Yes. Okay.
Not supposed to be put in, and there are people in the midst of this tragedy suffering right on the ground behind me.
My first question is, what is your impression after watch the video? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, Ulul, stand up please. It's very sad, ma'am. Okay, it's very sad. Okay, thank you, Ulul. And how about the other? What else?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Angelina Putri, come on.
I'm so scared.
Sangat menakutkan. Anybody else?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Dewi, please.
I'm so sad after watching the video, ma'am. It's so terrible. I remember the situation with my family.
Okay.
Apalagi barang mama kami panjang lepas, ma'am.
Oh iya. Students are able to answer my question. I will give nilai plus. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Ready. Okay. My first question is, what is the video about? Fatun maybe. Okay. Stand up please.
Dia is about the news of natural disaster.
Okay. The news about the natural disaster. Thank you. The second question. Where did it happen? Oh my God. Salif maybe. Come on.
Pasigaran, Palu, Sigi, and Donggala, Sulawesi Tengah.
Oke, Sulawesi Tengah di bahasa Inggris apa? Sulawesi. Oh, Sulawesi. Oke, when did it happen? Safia maybe, dari tadi Safia belum bicara ini. Come on. Oke.
28 September 2018.
28 September 2018. Good job. Based on the video, ada yang bisa membantu Ibu menentukan what is the social function of the video. Identify the social function, generic structure, and language feature based on the video. Okay, then we
Social function of news item is to inform the readers or listeners about important news.
Thank you, Dewi. Good job. Next, semua?
Peristiwa yang penting untuk diberitakan.
Oke.
Latar belakang peristiwanya
Oke.
dengan sumber peristiwa.
Oke. Thank you. Give applause for us.
Generic structure-nya. About language feature. Come on. Language feature-nya. Sedangkan indirect speech, contohnya seperti ini. He said that, dia berkata, he is going to my school that day. Understand?
Open your sheet. Activity 3. Please read both of the text below and discuss with your group. I have the sentences to match the sentences, these sentences with the sentences in the karton yang sudah Ibu siapkan. You understand? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Open your dictionary if you are not understand about the word. Are you ready? Okay. Siapa yang lain? Aku ini benar. Fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan berdasarkan kedua teks tadi itu. Oke, open your sheet. Discuss with your friends about the social function, generic structure, and language feature based on the two texts. Any questions so far? Do you have a problem? You can compare the language feature between the text 1 and text 2. Siapa yang bisa? Oke, Dewi ya. Okay, come on. Round of the class. Text positive for the new coronavirus. Okay. Give applause for the
Although saying first, say their report. Conversation use the Instagram story or Facebook.
Okay, give applause for. You should conclude the information. Open your Canva. Okay, open your smartphone and Canva application. Ini satu ini kelompok 2 ya. You can give the conclusion about the material today. Okay, Dewi.
News item is rather often public information with report about the event.
Okay, thank you, Dewi. Give applause for them. How about the generic structure-nya? Apa semua tadi ada 3? Okay, news 40. Elaboration of background. Okay, elaboration of background. Terakhir, short itu artinya
Sumbernya. How about the language feature?
Using active past.
Action verb. Kemudian ada direct and indirect speech. Keterangan itu as verb. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, for the next meeting untuk pertemuan selanjutnya kita masih belajar tentang news item. Please Ilham guide us to pray together.
Let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish.
Thank you so much. Give applause.